Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Protect Toolkit from iFixIt. I've wanted one of these for a long time, but it's just one of those things I've never got around to buying myself. And I want to get into tinkering with some iPhones, maybe doing some iPhone repairs on some cheaper stuff that I find on eBay, such as battery swaps, screen replacements, simple stuff like that to start out with, and maybe be doing, maybe do some other stuff later down the road. I do have an iPhone 5 coming that is untested, so I don't know if it works or not. So I picked it up for 20 bucks on eBay. I figured why not, I'll play around with it. If I can get it working, I can probably make a quick 75 bucks off of it. It's not here yet. It was supposed to be here today, but it didn't show up. So I will do a video on that when I get it, and we'll see what's wrong with it, and we will diagnose it and see if we can fix it. If it is broken, like I said, it was listed as untested, so it may work just fine. But I bought this because it's got all the bits in there that you may need. So this was like 60 bucks on Amazon. Really good deal. Here is all the stuff you get right here. So you get all your anti-static wrap, tweezers, spudgers, magnetic pad, all this kind of stuff. Here's all the 64-bit drivers you get. So you get all these, your regular Phillips, flathead, Torx security, bunch of different sizes, nut drivers, squares, game bits, spanners, triangles. Triangles are helpful for MacBook batteries. You get the standoff bit for the iPhone, oval drive, magnetic pickup bit, SIM eject bit. You get a lid with a sorting tray so you can keep your screws organized, magnetized driver handle, 150mm flex extension, 1/4 to 4mm driver adapter. So really good deal here. A lot of stuff to help you repair all kinds of different tech, and those small bits to do all the mobile devices and stuff like that. Comes packaged really nice. I really do like iFixIt. I use their website a lot, and I was just looking at all the different parts they have for iPhones and iPads and stuff like that. And it really is a great website if you need small parts. Even if you need little individual parts for micro soldering on the motherboard, they have stuff like that. So here it is. Comes in this box. Here's the case it comes in. Really nice Velcro case. It is a tight squeeze, but really nice Velcro case that rolls out. So you have all your stuff up here. You have your picks. These are used for opening up devices with like adhesive and stuff on them. These will peel through the adhesive, and they give you a few of them in case one breaks. You have extra. You can also use multiple at one time to keep the phone from resealing itself. So those just go in this pocket right here. Let's see. I don't want to take everything out and then have to put it back later, but those I will put back later. Up here we have your anti-static wrist strap right there. This right here is a suction cup for doing screen removal. So it has a little handle right here that you can flip out and pull up. That is real nice. Those do come in handy. Right here you have a bunch of different little picks. Looks like they're different. Nope, they're the same size. Just different picks for prying and stuff like that. Right here you have your tweezers, which are really nice if you need a steady hand to grab onto something. You have those. You have these picks right here, which come with a little protector. Nope, these are tweezers. So very fine point tweezers right here with a little protector on there. Probably keep that on there. They are a little bit sharp. Same right here. Now, like I said, I did read the back of the box and show you guys what was in here, but I don't know exactly what is what just yet. We have the 3 opening tools right here. Your 6 opening picks, which are the ones I set aside. You have your spudgers and your tweezers. Some are nylon tip reverse tweezers, and then blunt and angled spudger, which would be this right here. Your regular spudger. You have a nice little cutting knife. I think they call this a metal spudger. Or no, this one's the metal spudger. This one may be the Jimmy. A lot of different stuff in here. Right here we have your tray. So this just clips on there. It's a magnet. So you can pop this off and you can put it over here. and use it as a sorting tray. So you have little different ridges in there so you can sort all your screws out. Remove that. Right here we have your driver, which is really nice. Feels really good. Right here we have all your different bits lined up. They tell you what they are right here on the foam. Some of them did move in transit. Right here is your magnetic pickup bit, so pretty strong magnet right there. Real nice organized case. It's got little pictures. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's got little pictures and numbers right here for all your different bits. You have your regular Phillips down here on the bottom, your star, some flathead, torque security, all that kind of stuff. Different iPhone bits. I don't remember which one the iPhone uses. Let's see, my iPhone's in an OtterBox, so I won't be able to pull it out to see. But all the different kinds of bits right here. Anything you may need to do a repair is in here. I highly recommend this kit. I've used this before when I worked at a computer shop when I interned there, and it really is a nice kit that comes with a bunch of different tools, and it's easy to keep them organized. So I do highly recommend this. Not sponsored, but I will leave the link down in the Amazon description down below. This has been Colin with Techout. This is the iFixIt Pro Tech Toolkit, and as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.